This is our insect repellent. Okay, with this you will not have any issues with insects, mosquitoes, wherever. Just have a spray of it. You see, take a good look of it, just spray it. Okay. Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us, thank you for watching. I want to ask a question. Do you have issues with mosquitoes? If yes, come closer, let me show you a home remedy. Okay, as you can see, this is lemongrass. All right, I will show you how to make use of this so that you will not have issues with mosquitoes. So I'm gathering lemongrass. Okay, I'm gathering our lemongrass, so follow me, beautiful people. This is lemongrass. This lemongrass is enough. I want to prepare it for as repellent against insects and mosquitoes. So you can just fold it like this. I'm going to do just one batch so that I'll keep the rest. Okay, like this is okay, just like this. You can see this is an empty pot. You put it there and let me get some water. Oh, don't worry, just get like 2 cups of water. This is very okay. So we cover it. So we leave it to boil for like 5 minutes. Okay, we'll leave it to boil for like 5 minutes. So beautiful people, as you can see, we are boiling the lemongrass. So this is another one. You can tie it up like this for preservation. Okay, let me show you how that is done. You just take some amount of it, you fold it and you tie it. Okay, so tying it like this, okay, is enough. Tying it like this is like another dose. Let me tie this. The reason why I'm doing it like this, so that if you have an opportunity to get lemongrass, just get them in amount you can save, so that you can use them whenever you wish to. Even though it dries, the nutrients still stands. The reason why we are cutting it, saving it like this, so that more fresh ones can come up. So we have just 4 here. So we are waiting for our lemongrass to boil. This is also a remedy for cold, rheumatism and all that, but we are using it for insect repellents. So if you love this video, thumbs up, like, share. Don't forget to turn up the notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. So beautiful people, like I said, 5 minutes. So our water has boiled and this is 5 minutes. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to turn up the fire. I'm going to turn up the fire and let me pour it here. So this is what we'll be making use of. You see the color? So I'm going to allow it to cool down, okay? Then I'll tell you what next to do with it. So beautiful people, so this is about 15 minutes later. So you can see it has cooled, okay? It's not hot anymore. So because lemongrass has some particles, we are going to sieve it, okay? We have another container here. We are going to sieve it. Like this so that they will see. We are going to sieve it. We don't want any particles on our storage which will hinder the okay. So this is pure it's okay. So beautiful people, this is lemongrass tea. So I'm coming. So this is our container we are going to use to filter. So beautiful people, this is our repellent here. So this is our insect repellent, okay? With this you will not have any issues with insects, mosquitoes, wherever. Just have a spray of it. You see, take a good look of it. Just spray it, okay? When you spray it around your homes, if you have any mosquito there, they will just disappear, okay? Instead of having all these other methods which will be giving you maybe catarrh or so. This is very natural home remedy for mosquito repellent. You see the color? This is how it is. So you spray it, just spray it around the corners of the house, you know. And this is not poisonous, it's tea. Even you can drink it. So very, very nice for your home. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, okay? This is mosquito repellent. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.